Forget everything you think you know about minivans. The 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a family hauler. It is a rolling sanctuary, a tech lounge and a comfort zone on wheels. And after spending time with this thing, I am convinced that families buying three-row SUVs are making the wrong choice. Let me show you why the minivan is what you actually need. Every Sienna comes standard with Toyota's proven hybrid system. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors for a combined 245 horsepower. The payoff? An impressive 36 miles per gallon combined. Whether you stick with front-wheel drive or go for the available all-wheel drive setup, no three-row SUV can touch that efficiency. This hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, quiet, and efficient driving that makes everyday life easier. Not louder, not thirstier, just better. But what if you want your minivan with a little edge? Enter the XSE trim with blacked-out accents, sharp 20-inch wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension. This is not your typical family van. At first glance, it could pass for a sporty SUV. Step inside though, and you are reminded of why minivans still dominate. Space and practicality that no SUV can match. And at roughly $45,000, it packs in comfort and tech that rivals luxury crossovers, costing nearly twice as much. Inside, Toyota designed the Sienna with real life in mind. The second-row captain's chairs slide a full 25 inches back, giving passengers the kind of stretch-out legroom you would expect in business class. Try doing that in a Highlander or Pilot. Everywhere you look, there is smart storage, overhead shelves, a massive bridge-style center console, and yes, 18 cup holders. SUVs cannot compete with this level of practicality. Tech-wise, Toyota did not hold back. Even entry-level trims give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Step up and you get a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, head-up display, wireless charging, and an available 12-speaker JBL audio system. For families, the optional rear seat entertainment system is a lifesaver, keeping kids entertained and parents relaxed on long drives. And how does it drive? With a 0 to 60 time around 7.5 seconds, it handles highway merges without breaking a sweat. The real story is the comfort. It glides along quietly, soaking up bumps with ease. The hybrid system adds regenerative braking, which makes every stop feel smoother. Cargo space is another massive win. The third row folds flat into the floor in seconds. The second row slides forward to open up to 101 cubic feet of cargo space. Show me an SUV that can do that. Put it all together, and the 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a minivan. It is proof that families have been buying the wrong vehicle. More space than an SUV, better fuel economy than an SUV, more features than an SUV, all for less money. So forget what everyone else is buying. The Sienna is what families actually need.